Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Dr. Khadija Siddiq and I'm a graduate of Dow Medical College Karachi. This video I am making on a special request of one of my very sweet juniors from King Edward, Dr. Hamza Ashraf. In this video, we would be discussing about the where and abouts of Dow Medical College and the various pros and cons of this prestigious medical school. Let's begin with that. And I actually hope that this video will be of information and benefit for all the people who are listening to it. So basically, talking about Dow Medical College is one of the very old medical schools of Pakistan. It was it actually came into being in 1947, 2 years before the independence of Pakistan. Uh, Moreover, before the creation of Pakistan, like 2 years before the creation of Pakistan. Moreover, initially it was just a medical college, but now soon, like in like 80 years or so, in the long period of 70 to 80 years, it has now become a university. So basically, Dow Medical College is now a medical school, which comes under Dow University of Health Sciences (DUHF). It has the Dow University of Health Sciences has many institutes regarding the health. However, about one which we would be talking much in this video is the Dow Medical College. Okay, so basically, Dow Medical College, as I've already mentioned, is among the top medical schools in Pakistan. It is at par with King Edward and Aga Khan. However, the Dow Medical College has certain distinguished characteristics. The very first thing about which we would talk about is the curriculum structure of Dow Medical College. Before, we would say 2011 or 2010, before that it used to follow the regular final prof system, as most of the medical colleges in Pakistan follow. However, in 2012 and 2013, or in that era, a very unique and a different sort of the system was introduced, which was the modular and semester system. So basically, when I was studying in Dow Medical College, that was 2013 to 2019, we had the modular and semester system, just like the other universities which follow the semester systems. So, talking about the modular system, the one thing which was very good about Dow Medical College was that we used to study the systems of human body, and we had to study all the subjects regarding that particular system. For instance, if we talk about gastroenterology, then when someone has to study the module of gastroenterology, which was in the second year, and then again in fourth year. So we had to study the anatomy, pathology, physiology, biochemistry, and pharmacology, and all the other related everything related to the topic of gastroenterology. So this is one thing which is very unique about the structure of Dow Medical College. However, recently the Dow has abolished the semester system, but the modular system remains. Moving forward, about one thing which Dow is again very famous is the inclination of its students towards the research and development, mostly because the students in Dow Medical College, most of them in the students of fourth year, final year, most of them, they are really willing to publish their research papers in the international journals, and also our mentors and professors and associate professors and all the people of this fraternity, they actually are very helping in making their students do various sort of research works. Along with that, which is a very another big plus point of being a Dow alumni and the part of the Dow fraternity, is that we have a huge alumni group or social circle in UK, USA, and Canada. So basically, those students who are willing to do PLAB and MLE and do the abroad licensing exams, they have this very beneficial thing that they can actually get a lot of guidance and help, and seek a lot of support from our seniors, which are they're working at the prestigious places in abroad and working out there. Moreover, one thing which, in comparison to other medical universities, is lacking in Dow is the social life and the societies. The Dow Medical College has not really worked much in developing the student life and social life. Similarly, the building of the Dow Medical College, which we short form is DMC, is actually a very small place in the congested area of interior Karachi, which is the Sadr area, a very rushy place and a very congested sort of an area. So basically, the students out there, they get less place to do the society works or such sort of activities and extracurricular activities. However, a very good thing about Dow Medical College is that we have a number of volunteer organizations. For instance, we have Pakistan Patient Welfare Association, which is quite established. It has its blood banks, drug banks, thalassemia clinics, and a lot of other services for the patients visiting the civil hospital, which is affiliated with Dow Medical College. Moreover, we have First Response Initiative of Pakistan, FRIP, which actually engaged the masses in seeking the first aid skills, and this is also an initiative of the students of Dow Medical College. So, in this aspect, in the volunteer organizations, the students of Dow have done a lot, but the place where we actually lack is the basic societies and. For instance, media society, debating societies, and we actually lack in all that aspect. However, one thing which is very famous about the students of Dow, and that is their Alvida week, 1 week which is dedicated to the students of the final year of Dow Medical College, and they make sure that they enjoy the whole week and do various sort of functions and events which they really want to do. Uh, that was it about the Dow Medical College. One thing which needs to be mentioned is the civil hospital, which is associated with the Dow Medical College. It is one of the tertiary care hospitals in Karachi. It has the best fraternity and a lot of latest technologies are being used in the civil hospital, and the SIUT that is being that is just adjacent to the building of civil hospital. So being associated with the tertiary care hospital is again a very beneficial thing for the students of Dow Medical College, because the training and the residency training, FCPS, MCPS, and even the house shop of civil hospital is very famous for being obviously critical and tough, but very knowledgeable. So that was just a brief introductory and bird eye view video for the students who were curious about the life of the students of Dow Medical College. And that's it from my side. Signing off, Dr. Khadija Siddiq. Take care, everyone, and Allah Hafiz.